Welcome to Hakone, Japan. This beautiful mountain resort town is very close to Tokyo. Many people visit Hakone for a relaxing and rejuvenating getaway. The natural beauty of Hakone is world famous. You can enjoy stunning views of Mount Fuji, lush forests, and a sparkling lake. Hakone offers something special for everyone. Are you interested in art? Visit the amazing Hakone Open-Air Museum. Do you love nature? Take a scenic boat ride on Lake Ashi. For a unique experience, explore the volcanic Owakudani Valley. Hakone is the perfect place to experience traditional Japanese culture. Stay at a ryokan, a traditional Japanese inn. Relax in a natural hot spring called an onsen. Hakone has it all. Come and discover the magic of this truly special place. The Hakone Open-Air Museum is a must-see. This unique museum combines art and nature. It is located on a hillside with amazing views of the surrounding mountains. You can enjoy sculptures from famous artists like Henry Moore and Pablo Picasso. The sculptures are spread across the park. Walk around and discover something new at every turn. The museum also has indoor galleries. You can learn about the artists and their work. The Hakone Open Air Museum is a great place for everyone. Art lovers will be impressed by the collection. Nature enthusiasts will love the beautiful setting. Bring your camera to capture the amazing views. Lake Ashi is a beautiful lake in Hakone, Japan, known for its stunning views and serene atmosphere. It was formed by a volcanic eruption thousands of years ago, creating a natural wonder that has captivated visitors for generations. Take a relaxing cruise on the lake and enjoy the scenery. The gentle waves and the cool breeze make it a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. As you glide across the water, you will see lush forests, traditional Japanese houses, and maybe even catch a glimpse of the majestic Mount Fuji in the distance, standing tall and proud. The lake is surrounded by hiking trails that offer panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. These trails are perfect for nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike. Take a break from your cruise and explore the forests. The dense greenery and the sound of birds chirping create a peaceful environment that is perfect for a leisurely walk or a more challenging hike. You can also visit the Hakone Shrine, a place of spiritual significance and historical importance. This ancient shrine is dedicated to the gods of the lake and mountains, and its traditional architecture is a sight to behold. The serene surroundings add to the spiritual experience. Lake Ashi is a popular spot for water activities. Whether you are an adrenaline junkie or someone looking for a relaxing day on the water, there's something for everyone. You can try fishing, kayaking, or paddle boating. Each activity offers a unique way to experience the lake and its picturesque views. Enjoy the fresh air and the beauty of nature. The lush greenery and the clear blue waters create a perfect setting for relaxation and rejuvenation. Don't miss the chance to capture the perfect sunset photo over the lake. The vibrant colors reflecting on the water's surface create a breathtaking view that is sure to leave a lasting impression. Families can enjoy a picnic by the lake, making it a perfect spot for a day out. The serene environment and the beautiful scenery make it an ideal place to create lasting memories with loved ones. Tourists often find themselves captivated by the view from various lookout points around the lake. These spots offer some of the best angles for photography, ensuring you take home stunning memories of your visit. For couples, a romantic boat ride on Lake Ashi can be a magical experience. The tranquil waters and the picturesque backdrop create a perfect setting for romance. Don't forget to check out the local vendors near the lake. They offer a variety of traditional Japanese snacks and souvenirs, allowing you to take a piece of Hakone home with you. Whether you are with family, friends, or a special someone, Lake Ashi offers a unique and unforgettable experience. The combination of natural beauty, cultural significance, and recreational activities makes it a must-visit destination. Section 4. Owakudani Valley, the heart of Hakone Volcano. Nestled in the scenic region of Hakone, Owakudani Valley is a place where the Earth's raw power is on full display. This valley, formed around 3000 years ago during the last eruption of Mount Hakone, is a testament to the dynamic forces that shape our planet. Owakudani Valley is a unique and exciting place to visit in Hakone. The valley is often referred to as the Great Boiling Valley due to the intense geothermal activity that characterizes the area. Visitors are greeted by the sight of steam rising from the ground, creating an otherworldly atmosphere that is both eerie and fascinating. It is an active volcanic valley with hot springs and sulfur vents. The hot springs are not just a visual spectacle, they are also a source of relaxation and rejuvenation. The sulfur vents, on the other hand, emit a strong smell that is unmistakable and adds to the valley's unique charm. The ground is covered in volcanic rocks and steam rises from the earth. These rocks, formed from solidified lava, tell the story of the valley's fiery past. Walking through Owakudani, one can't help but feel a sense of awe at the raw, untamed beauty of the landscape. It is a truly remarkable sight. The combination of the rugged terrain, the billowing steam, and the vibrant colors of the mineral deposits creates a scene that is both dramatic and beautiful. It's a place where nature's artistry is on full display. You can take a cable car to Owakudani Valley. The ride itself is an adventure, offering a bird's eye view of the valley below. As you ascend, the landscape unfolds beneath you, revealing the full extent of the volcanic activity. The cable car ride offers stunning views of the surrounding mountains and valleys. On a clear day, you can even catch a glimpse of Mount Fuji in the distance, its majestic peak rising above the horizon. The panoramic views are a photographer's dream, providing countless opportunities to capture the beauty of Hakone. At the top, you can walk around the valley and learn about its history. There are several walking trails that take you through the heart of the geothermal area, each offering a different perspective on the valley's unique features. Informational signs along the way provide insights into the geological processes at work and the history of the region. One of the most popular things to do in Owakudani Valley is to try black eggs. These eggs, known as kuro tamago, are a local delicacy and a must-try for visitors. The experience of eating a black egg is not just about the taste, it's about participating in a tradition that has been passed down through generations. These eggs are boiled in the hot springs. The boiling process, which takes place in the naturally hot waters of the springs, is a fascinating sight to behold. The eggs are placed in wire baskets and submerged in the bubbling water, where they are cooked to perfection. the sulfur in the water turns the eggshells black. This unique transformation is due to the chemical reaction between the sulfur and the eggshells, resulting in a striking black color. Despite their unusual appearance, the eggs taste just like regular boiled eggs, but with a slightly richer flavor. Legend says that eating a black egg will add 7 years to your life. This folklore adds an element of mystique to the experience, making it even more memorable. Whether or not you believe in the legend, trying a black egg is a fun and unique way to connect with the local culture and traditions of Hakone. Section 5. Relax and rejuvenate. Hakone's hot springs. Hakone is famous for its hot springs, called onsen in Japanese. These natural hot springs are a significant part of Japanese culture and have been enjoyed for centuries. The hot springs are heated by the volcanic activity in the area. This geothermal energy creates a unique and soothing experience that draws visitors from all over the world. They are said to have healing properties. The minerals in the water are believed to help with various ailments, from muscle pain to skin conditions, making it a therapeutic retreat. Relaxing in an onsen is a must-do experience in Hakone. The serene environment, combined with the warm, mineral-rich waters, provides a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. There are many different types of onsen in Hakone. Each offers a unique experience, whether you prefer a secluded private bath or a more social public bath. You can find public baths, private baths, and even onsen with views of Mount Fuji. Imagine soaking in a hot spring while gazing at the majestic mountain. It's an unforgettable experience. Some onsen are indoors and some are outdoors. Outdoor onsen, known as Rotenburo, allow you to connect with nature while enjoying the warm waters. Try different ones to find your favorite. Each onsen has its own charm and benefits, so exploring a variety can enhance your visit. Remember to follow onsen etiquette. This ensures a pleasant experience for everyone and maintains the cleanliness and tranquility of the baths. You must shower before entering the bath. This is a crucial step to keep the onsen water clean and hygienic for all guests. Tattoos are often not allowed in onsen. This rule stems from traditional associations with organized crime, although attitudes are slowly changing. If you have a tattoo, you may need to cover it up with a bandage. Some onsen provide these bandages, or you can bring your own to ensure you can still enjoy the experience. Hakone's hot springs offer more than just relaxation. They provide a deep connection to Japanese culture and nature. Whether you're seeking healing, tranquility, or simply a unique experience, Hakone's onsen are a perfect destination. So, when you visit Hakone, make sure to take the time to immerse yourself in the soothing waters of an onsen. It's an experience that will leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. As the sun sets over the tranquil hot springs, you'll understand why Hakone's onsen are cherished by so many. The combination of natural beauty, cultural significance, and therapeutic benefits makes it a truly special place. Whether it's your first time or a return visit, Hakone's hot springs will always offer a warm welcome and a memorable experience.